Right then, guys and girls, a bit dark here. No point in doing record dance because they can't see you yet. We are in a different location. Yes, it's Manchester drones and cameras. We've gone travelling again, and we're in somebody else's house. So I shall show you in a minute. Check it out. That's Callum doing his lurky dance. Mrs. P doing lurky dance. I'm going to spin you around here very, very slowly to reveal Mr. DJ Years Entertainment. Let's do a quick zoom in. Hey! No, too much now, break camera. So that is Ian. Yes, we're in Runcorn.
Someone's got to come in, haven't they, mate?
Yeah, somebody's got to visit Billy no mates.
Yeah, I've got no friends. Hi everyone.
So yes, we are here at Runcorn, and we was going to go drowning, but I'll spin you around. But unfortunately we can't because the wind is just absolutely shocking, so it's no good. So yeah, we can't go out droning. We're going to do the Mersey River Bridge, whatever you call it, but no, it's a ban. So anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys and girls, guess where we are? We've got Lakeo doing the making answers though. We've got Ian in a bike. This is me. We are at the Mersey Gateway. Unfortunately it's too windy to fly, like I said earlier, but I want to insert a few pictures so you can have a quick look and see what it's like. Well, I'm just disappointed that we can't go and fly, but never mind. There'll be other times if I've still got my drone. Alright then guys, I'll see you later. Is where DJ Ian Entertainment sometimes works. For how much longer?